Hello everyone, welcome back to Yanti Malinowska's channel. Who has a pet cat that likes to sleep all day? Make no mistake, behind his funny behavior, there are many surprising facts that you may not know. Come on, let's unravel together. 10 interesting facts about cats. First, a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human. The structure of the cat's brain has surprising similarities with the human brain, especially in the part called the cerebral cortex. This part is responsible for the ability to think rationally and process memory. The cerebral cortex in the cat's brain has about 300 million neurons. In addition, the limbic system or control center is also very similar in both species. This similarity explains why cats can feel complex emotions such as jealousy or anxiety when separated, and form strong social bonds with humans and other animals. The second interesting fact is that the sound of meowing is mostly to communicate with humans. Cats have the ability to produce more than 100 different types of sounds, but they usually only meow to communicate with humans. In the wild, cats rely more on body language and smell to interact with each other. Through the evolution of domestication, cats learned that meowing can attract human attention to ask for food, affection, or even convey discomfort. They can adjust the tone and type of meow to get the desired response from the owner. Third interesting fact, cats sleep an average of 15 hours a day. Cats spend about 70% of their lives sleeping. This sleep pattern is a remnant of their ancestors' evolutionary instincts in the wild. As a hunter, cats need a lot of energy to stalk, chase, and pounce on prey. Although pet cats no longer have to hunt, this instinct is still there. With that, a lot of time spent sleeping, they can save energy for moments of intense short activities. The next interesting fact is that cats can walk like camels and giraffes. Cats have a unique walking pattern, called pacing. They move both feet on the right side at the same time, followed by both feet on the left side. Only camels and giraffes have similar walking patterns. This way of walking provides a stable balance and allows them to walk calmly and efficiently. The fifth interesting fact, a cat's body temperature is regulated by saliva. Cats do not have sweat glands all over their bodies like humans. To cool themselves down when the weather is hot, they will lick their fur. When saliva evaporates, it will have a cooling effect on the skin, similar to the way sweat works on humans. Cat sweat glands are only found on the soles of the feet, which also helps them regulate body temperature. Sixth interesting fact. The cat's ancestor is a tiger. Genetic analysis shows that modern domestic cats share about 95.6% of the genetic makeup with tigers. This striking DNA similarity explains why domestic cats still show behavior similar to their wild relatives. These behaviors include marking the scent, stalking prey, and pouncing. The seventh interesting fact. A cat's mustache is more than just a feather. Cat's mustache, or vibrissae, is a very sensitive sensor. This mustache is connected to the nervous system and is very sensitive to vibrations in the air. The mustache functions as a navigation tool, helping cats sense the direction of the wind, detect prey, and determine whether they can pass through narrow spaces. The length of the mustache is usually proportional to the width of the cat's body, making it an important natural measuring tool. interesting fact. Cats can't taste the sweetness. As true carnivores, cats lack the necessary genes to detect sweetness. Their main food is meat, so the ability to taste sweet has never been an important part of their evolution. Instead, they have strong receptors for bitter, salty, and umami flavors or the savory taste of meat that is more relevant to a meat-based diet. The ninth interesting fact. Cat snoring can heal. Cat snoring is often associated with a sense of pleasure, but actually also has therapeutic benefits. Research shows that cat snoring has a consistent vibration frequency, between 25 and 150 Hz. This frequency can help relieve stress, lower blood pressure, and even improve bone healing. This ability shows that his snoring is not only a sign of comfort, but also a self-healing mechanism for cats. Fact number 10. Cats do not have a connected collarbone. Cats have a very small collarbone and are not directly connected to other bones, but are embedded in their shoulder muscles. This structure gives cats great flexibility. Without a limiting collarbone, they can rotate their bodies up to 180 degrees and stretch themselves through very narrow slits. This flexibility is an important evolutionary adaptation for agile predators such as cats. Well, those are 10 interesting facts about cats that might make you love your cat even more. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below. Don't forget, click the like button, share this video to other cat lovers, and subscribe to Yanti Malinowska's channel so you don't miss out on other interesting facts. See you in the next video.